so easy to get discouraged when you've come up with a great video idea, a cool thumbnail, and even a generated post time. And then once the video is posted, it only gets like 5 views and barely any subscribers, no matter the SEO tools nor the keywords that you've used. But the main thing is that what you see as failure is actually the ultimate steps to growth. Stick around so I can tell you exactly how. I started my YouTube channel about 2 years ago, but I hadn't been genuinely consistent until about 2 months ago. But during that time, YouTube has definitely impacted me drastically, that it sparked a change in my life. At the time of recording this video, my channel has about 945 subscribers. Only 72 of them are active or interactive with my channel. My mom is my biggest supporter out of everything, which makes me wonder, what am I doing wrong? Why haven't my videos been seen yet? And are the topics knowledgeable and impactful? If you're watching this video, I'm sure these are genuine questions you've asked yourselves and are asking yourself about the content you're making and your YouTube journey. If you've thought about starting a channel, you should definitely give it a shot. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you've already started a channel and you feel like you're in a fish tank situation, just swimming in a pool of water with nowhere to go and no actual stance or strategy, then dust yourself off, get up, because this is only the beginning. In life, there are experiences and knowledge that can only be gained and learned from making mistakes. Trial and error, the things we call failure. I thought about making this video because of a video that I had seen over YouTube, which I'm sure many of you have already seen. In this video, the young woman conveys a point of view insight as to how content creation for YouTube and just her general peaks of interest in video creation has boosted her self-esteem, confidence, and so much more. Her strategic talk and realness in this major life situation gave me an idea to create the video that you're watching right now, which leaves me with a question. Can YouTube really change your life with less than 500 subscribers? And if so, how can we be certain? So I went ahead and I did a timeline of my genuine progress, my woohoo moments, and my stop moments, because these are things that are a part of our YouTube journey. And ultimately, all of these things makes up YouTube and are considered growth. If you haven't had these moments, it means you're not growing, because these are part of our growth moments. These are what builds us. These are what builds and sparks growth. So initially, growth is not only about numbers or views or even a viral video. It is important to understand that growth comes in stages. You have to start from an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration, just like the process of osmosis and diffusion, which I'm sure many of us learned in high school or middle school, and even college. This shows exactly what I mean by stages. You have to go to middle school, then from middle school you go to high school, then from high school you go to college. Stages. Although I still haven't got my viral video yet, that's not the reason I keep going. It's not about the money, because I do work a full-time job and I do attend college. Of course, I do passively want to earn on YouTube, but I don't believe it should be my main focus, and I really don't believe it should be yours either. I do someday hope that I could quit my job, be full-time on YouTube, but for now, my main purpose is creating videos that showcase my talent of doing the things that I love, giving knowledge, inspiration, and impacting the lives of like-minded people while sharing the experience I have learned to gain this knowledge and the wisdom that God has given to me. Showing the joy of being a young adult and a Christian at the same time while maintaining morals and values that are dear to God. One of the biggest ways to develop courage in skill is consistency. Trust me. When you press record each time and upload, you definitely get 1% better, even if it's not intentional. You go the extra mile to learn a new skill, to edit better, to engage your viewer, and that in itself is growth. This ultimately gives you the opportunity to practice and to get better at a skill you already have, experimenting with what works and what does not work for you. Most importantly, you gain confidence in yourself, confidence in creating, and the fact that even if the outcome of the video does not go how you would like, that God is in control, and that no matter what, all things are working for your good. That your consistency will pay off. That confidence actually overflows in different areas of your life and how you interact with others socially and physically. It definitely helps with your self-esteem, as well as allowing you to be bold and hold on to what you feel, no matter the point of view of another person, or people rather. So even if I haven't gotten to the 1K subscriber mark yet, the greatest goal I have achieved so far is the fulfillment of my growth and progress, and I truly do hope that your growth and progress will not be recognized and give you fulfillment as well. So as I end this video, I want to leave you guys with a scripture that has kept me confident and motivated in God and my YouTube journey of growth. The scripture is Jeremiah 29 verse 11, and it goes, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future." Okay, so I always want you guys to remember that scripture whenever you feel down in your journey on YouTube, and whenever you feel like you've gotten to a threshold that you can't get past, just dust it off, try again, because I guarantee you that you have learned something from where you are now that you can implement to make what you have made better. Always remember that nothing happens before its ordained time, and that God is in control of everything that you do, for we do not do anything on our own. No matter where you are right now in your journey, this is your confirmation to keep going. Don't stop here. Keep on going, because success is a must, and consistency leads to growth, and growth is necessary for success. So each time you think you have failed, just remember that you are one step closer to your success. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I've convinced you guys that YouTube can definitely change your life for the better. And I hope this pushes you to keep going for your channel. Or even if you haven't started your channel, I hope this pushes you to actually start this channel, so that you can be on the same journey that I have started and get to the success that you are dreaming of, because eventually you will get there. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to start your channel. And if it did inspire you to start your channel, comment in the comment section down below and share it to others, so they too can be inspired, not just to start their channel, but to do something that they have been procrastinating so much about because of the outcome or things that they think made them fail. There's no such thing as failure. I truly believe that, because everything that happens in your life is a stepping stone to help you to push further. Bless, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.